Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Swift ZXI Bluetooth system. First, ensure your car's ignition is fully on, not just in accessory mode. Next, grab your mobile device and activate its Bluetooth function through its settings menu. Finally, navigate to the infotainment system in your Swift ZXI and prepare to access its main settings. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth pairing experience, ensuring both devices are ready to communicate effectively. Once in the infotainment system settings, locate and select the Bluetooth option. From there, you will typically find an option to add new device or pair device. Tap this to begin the search. Your Swift ZXI system will then scan for available devices. Within a few moments, your mobile phone's name should appear on the car's display, indicating it has been detected and is ready for the next step. Now, select your phone's name from the list shown on your car's screen. Both your phone and the car's display will then show a unique pairing code. It is essential to verify that these codes match exactly before confirming the connection on both devices. Finally, your car might prompt you to allow access to your phone's contacts and call history. Accept these for full functionality, enabling hands-free calls and seamless contact syncing. If you encounter any issues, first ensure only one device is attempting to pair at a given moment to avoid conflicts. A simple restart of both your phone and the car's infotainment system can often resolve minor glitches. Remember, your Swift ZXI system can typically store up to 5 different paired devices, allowing multiple users to connect easily. Always keep your phone's software updated for optimal performance and seamless connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.